more that way. The wind's kind of.
Give her another 10 here. That's good. 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 We're either gonna kill him or not.
We're out in Saskatchewan this morning. We got a roost about a half-mile to the northeast here. We got about 300 full bodies out, some silhouette darks, but kind of got a going downwind, a U shape, but we got our kill hole out here. We're 8 of us hunting in a blind here, trailer blind, kind of a neat setup. 2 dogs, and hopefully it should be a good shoot. A lot of snows, some Ross, some specks in here, dark geese, and a few mallards. So hopefully it's a good one. Big bunch of them coming again.
All right.
God damn it, they want to land out by the...
Yeah.
It's kind of just grab it, so. Yeah, I thought come on.
Oh yeah, they're going into that shit back there.
We're gonna move it.
Sure, it's not gonna do us any good.
Tom, come. Sit. What do we
Kill him!
Some will come in. How greedy you want to get?
Kill him! Kill him!
They came in nice. They were landing too far out on us, so we opened up the hole, and now they're coming in better.
Get him!
shooting this?
Yeah, I think so.
Get him. Come on. That's it.
Willie, go scout and I'll mend these beaks. I'll defend them. Pick up, Willie. It's got.
It was.
God, I got that nice Barchester. There's some nice geese there. Let's pull the pin, boys. Nice. Got hit pretty hard. There you go, Ben. You want to see one?
Yeah. Look at that.
Here, let me get your picture. I'll send it home to Mom.
No.
Talk up the White Rock bull bodies. They really come in nice there. Right into the kill hole.
Kill up.
Whoa, whoa.
Well, I got a pop card if you need it.
Well, we had a good morning. A lot of adults around. They kind of surged off right away, and we got 30 or 40. But we just decided to keep sticking it out, and we had some really exceptional decoying. We're 10, 12. We're coming right down in. We had to adjust the decoys a little bit. They're landing south or downwind. So we opened up the hole, and then we're getting them right in. We had a couple times we got 10, 12. Got some nice bar-bellied specks, quite a few lessers. So it's good, really good hunt.
Bosley's a goose kill machine, and don't ever give up on breakfast when he tells you to stay. Just stay. Give up on breakfast.